Okay. Okay, let's tweet this out. Okay, let's play some music. Unlicensed music. We'll make sure we turn this down.
Chromebook's everything button helps you discover the secrets of the
Get rid of that ad.
so nothing comes between you and the rebellion. Stream Andor on Disney Plus at lightning speed on your Chromebook.
Take a deep breath.
Oh my gosh, so many ads.
Clear air is coming.
Okay, what are we doing here?
Just help pass a historic plan
MarketNet Flow, baby.
reducing pollution by
Dude, MarketNet Flow is looking juicy. We're getting a little pullback right now, are we? Let's look on Spy here. I guess we are slightly. And then let me make sure that we still have that 375 gamma exposure level. Baby boys, it's been a fantastic day. What is that wick? What the heck is that? Anyways, okay, 375. Double check on here. Yeah, 375. Okay. How are y'all doing? You guys got to let me know in the chat. You guys got to ask questions. You guys got to keep me engaged here because I'm not going to just talk to myself this whole stream. I get bored. You got to understand. But today was a fantastic day. Oh, man. Okay, Okay, so SPY, it's coming down a little bit, but I think it'll bounce here, especially with flow. Look at this. Convergence is so green. So momentum should be green too. Yeah, been green all day. Let's make sure that it all lines up on these expirations too. Okay, well, that looks ugly. Oh, it's kind of choppy actually. 7-day expirations. Same thing with 15. Or, yeah, 15. 30 looks alright. That 7-day one is not very good. Okay, it's coming down now. Let's see if we can get a bounce here on this 15 EMA. You can probably look at it better on my Weeble account. Here it is. I might... Here, I'm going to do something better here. It's coming down, but I'm going to put this here and then market net flow here. That makes it, you can see it better. Ooh, Dex is super green. What's up, Kingsford? Hold on, let's see. I got to move this a little bit because I can't read it on my end. When is the pullback? When against the trend like an idiot? Yeah, the trend's been bullish all day, Kingsford. That happens sometimes, right? It's been kind of choppy, other than like this morning. It went up a lot, but it's been kind of just hovering around 377. It came down quite a bit, but yeah, it bounced pretty heavy back up to 377. So we'll see what happens here. Ideally, I'd want it to see get up here because this is the 380 level, which is the next game exposure level. We're kind of in like a lull right now, because all the market net flow expirations aren't lining up, so it's kind of weird. Long-term market net flow is super bullish. We've got $20 or $20 million in calls, in net calls, and then minus, what is this? I'll blow this up a little bit. Like minus 17, minus 16 million in puts. Okay, AK said, oh, okay, we got some questions here. Here we go. Question, is it possible to integrate with TradingView? Yeah. Are you talking about market net flow or gamma exposure levels? Because if you're talking about gamma exposure levels, these are actually integrated through TradyTix, and they plotted the points right on my chart. So I can show you how I did it. It took a little bit of coding, but let's just plot these points here. I'll go on the 1 hour. And see if we can... I just copy and paste it basically. After I added their tool, which is this tool, I just copy and paste it whenever I need it. So here are the gamma exposure levels here. So I just go copy to TradingView, copy, and then I edit their tool that I added right here. See how it changed a little bit? See how 375 is that level? See how it came down a little bit and then bounced right off of it? That's what I'm looking at right now. 375 down here and then 380 to the upside. And since market net flow is bullish, ideally I'd like to see it come up to 380. Finding Thomas says, I got stopped out of your calls towards the end of the day. Wait, which ones? Because I got in several. I got in 380 calls twice today. And then I got in 370 calls and I swung those. I swung those at close, so I got in 3 different calls today, and all of them did well. The one I swung went 100, and then the other 2 I did 20 and 30% on those 2. We're falling a lot, guys. Holy crap! What is going on here? See, this falling is kind of... I think I relate that to these expirations. See how the near term is so choppy? It's kind of really messy. But earlier in the day, it was a little bit better, but right now it's kind of weird. It's just hovering around the same areas. Yeah, definitely not as clean as yesterday. Yesterday was insane. I mean, today was okay, right? We came all the way up here. We're still in a ghost zone technically, and we bounced off of this. Well, we bounced off of 374, but we came and reclaimed 375 like literally 5 minutes later, right? So ideally, I'd think that 375 should hold, especially since market net flow is bullish. I feel like 375 should hold, and then we should push to 380. Yeah, gamma exposure. AK, did you see what I just did about the gamma exposure thing? There's a tool that you can do. Where do I do that? Okay, yeah, so you go here on the site. If you have Tradie Ticks, you go to stocks, and then you type in SPY up here, and you search your time frame, and you go to Greek levels here, and I use spot gamma exposure, and I click all, and then it has a guide. See where it has the guide? If you want to add the tool onto your trading view, you can follow that guide, and then all you'll have to do once you add it is copy this code into your trading view like this. This is their tool, and I just input the code here, delete the old one, and then I do that every day. I mean, I don't use TradingView that much. Normally, I just look at Webull and this chart, but I mean, a lot of people like to use TradingView. It looks really clean on the TradingView chart. See how it does that? Either that, or you can just plot the points yourself. I mean, it's not that hard to do that either. But sometimes you can't really see exactly where they are on this chart. So that's kind of why I do it on TradingView, to see exactly where it is. See how it has this wide range from 360 to 380? It's kind of hard to pinpoint exactly where those bars are. No, it's not auto, sadly, AK. Yeah, I wish it was auto. But every single time I have to update it, which is a pain in the butt sometimes, but it is what it is, right? Which ones, Thomas? You have to tell me which ones. Was it the first time? Was it the swing that I got in yesterday and sold at open today? Or was it the... so I got in 380s twice today. I got... The first one, it hit for 20. Yeah, those ones were bad. I got in for like 10 minutes and I got out really quick. Luckily, I did. Because that was right before the sell-off here. I think it was like these couple candles here. And I got out at 20%, and then I got back in once it hit back over the 375 here. And those ones were 30%. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything, let me know. Basically, I'm just watching right now. We've had a nice bounce here, guys. Look at this. We bounced up 60 cents on SPY. We bounced from 375.50 all the way back to 376.20. So 70-cent move. This is a 5-minute chart, by the way, guys. If you guys want me to do it a little bit sooner, let me know. I prefer 5-minute charts. Oh, my most recent alert. Yeah, that one was good, bro. Even if you're still holding it, it should be green. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, it did fall down quite a bit. But yeah, those ones I got in at what? 70 per? Yeah, 79. I got in at 79 and got out around like 105. So that was like a 30. Yeah, that was almost exactly 30%. I think I put 32. I think I took a screenshot of it. You got stopped out of it though. How? Did you get in? You must have been really green on it and you just didn't sell? Because those ran for 50% at least. I just sold a little early. The puts are coming in crazy. You just want SPY to hit 380 for longer term puts. I agree with that, AK. Oh, let's check market net flow here. Puts aren't there's. I mean, it's not too bad, but I mean, convergence is coming down quite a bit too. So I always watch for that. If convergence tops and it comes down quick, usually it turns gray, and it's either choppy like it was here, or it comes down. See what happened here? It was green and then it turned gray, and look where it notified you. 1246. 12. Like around this area is when it fell, right? Right when it turned gray. And then this was when this turned green, this is when I got in that 30% play, Thomas. This turned green right away, and then this is when it hit over 375 and it turned green. That's when I hit that 30% play. Convergence is freaking... it's amazing, guys. This one would have worked too pretty well. And then once you saw it diminish a little bit, you could have got out at the top here. And then it fell pretty quick. This one was a really good one, this convergence too. You had a fill of 85, so you still would have been up, right? You just didn't sell, huh? You just chose not to sell? Is the music too loud, guys? Let me turn it down a little bit. Oh, you sold at 100. Okay, that's not bad, bro. 15. What is that? That's like 10%, right? A little bit over 10%. Maybe 15%. Oh, almost 20. That's almost 20. Oh, you sold one and profit, and then you sold the rest at break even. I see. Yeah, it happens, bro. We'll get another one, man. We're 3 for 3 in the past 24 hours. We've been killing it. Sorry about the coughing, guys. I'm still trying to get over this. I've had like this massive, like really bad infection or something. Did it die? Okay, guys, convergence just turned gray. See this? So I think that we'll just chop around here or go down a little bit, maybe to the 375 level. We'll see. We're sitting at 376. Ideally, I'd want to see, since we're in this like ghost area, ideally I'd want to see us go to 380 tomorrow. I thought we were going to hit it today, but we've just kind of been messing around 377. So I'll make a little bit more in-depth video on that if you guys are interested. I usually make like market recaps and then predictions on Twitter. I post them on YouTube too. We'll see if it plays out. Usually it works out pretty well. Like yesterday we got in a play. It hit off of a gamma exposure level and it gapped up overnight and we were up like 100. I know Josh sold for 200%. A couple other people sold for 200%, I think, and then I sold for like 105. That overnight swing was freaking godly. Let me change the time frame here. One thing I hate about these charts is it doesn't really, it's kind of fidgety, man. That's why it's fun to put them on the trading view chart. Hey, there we go. You can see that one a little bit better. So this red bar is 375 and then this green is 380. Hold on, let me go blow my nose, guys. Hold on. Sorry, guys. Yeah, last week I was like out. I was so sick last week. I'm just kind of getting over it now. Thomas says, can you help me with choosing your SPY contracts? I had puts earlier today. The market dropped, but my puts didn't go up. Was my con too far? Yeah, man. Which ones did you have? I can look at them and see what happened. Usually when SPY moves down in your favor, especially how quick it moved down, depending on where you entered, it's likely because either there's no volume in your contract or it's too far out of the money. There's a lot of different factors actually, so I'd have to look at the specific one you got and then when you got in. Just let me know what happened there. Oh, the small account play, bro. I forgot. Shoot. What time is it? I forgot about the small account. I can't forget about the small account. You guys, the small account, I'm doing a $100 small account, if you guys didn't know. And we are up in 3 trades, 25%. So we're at 124 right now. Oh, I guess that's not because 100. Yeah, so I think I started at like 98 because it says I'm up 25%. Oh wait, wrong camera. It says I'm up 25% on my trade. Sorry about all these texts. 20. Yeah, it says 25%. I'm up 25%. Let's 368 puts for October 5th. And then what time did you get in, Thomas? Tell me what time you got in. Why are these not filling? They should be filling as SPY goes up. I'm trying to get $10 out of that one. Yeah, Kingsford. I just look at market net flow. So puts are coming up quite a bit here. Only a couple million. It looks like it went from 17 to 14 probably. This should fill. Waiting for it. One thing I do hate about Robinhood is the freaking fills. My gosh, guys, I gotta blow my nose again. Ah, my freaking nose. How do you buy a put credit spread? I'll show you, bro. Let me see if I can log into my... I haven't logged in on Robinhood in so long. Let's see if we can just log on here and then see if we can... Ooh, problem is I don't know which email it is. Let's try this one. This one. And then oh, no, that's a call. Sorry. Let me switch that put. 369 there, and then sold that one. Okay. Oh, that's a put debit spread. Oops, what did I do? What did I do wrong here? Wait, I hope I didn't do a... No, it's a put credit spread. What did I do wrong there? Oh, there we go. Yeah, so you would buy, sorry, I just said it wrong. You would buy the 368 put, and then you would sell the 369 put. And, wow, it's going down. So mine's not even going to fill. I tried to get a fill at 10.1. That's what I wanted it to be, but it's just going down. I'm trying to get it filled, but I don't know if I will. Maybe I'll go up one more. Still, I mean, I could go up one more and see. Should we risk it, guys? Should I switch it to the 370, 369s? I'll give this one a few more minutes to see if it fills, but it's at 0.7. But that's how you would do it. You would get a credit. You would get a credit of this, 0.08, so $8, and then you would just throw up a collateral. And then theta is on your side, right? So time decay. So as long as SPY stays above 369 before tomorrow, that's when we would keep all of it. So we'll see what happens here. My gosh, I'm so sick. You got in around 9:45 a.m. Pacific. Okay, Thomas, I'll look at it in a second. Let me write it. I wrote it down so I remembered, okay? 9:45 a.m. Okay. I got it written down, Thomas, so I'll look at it in a second, okay? He says the puts went higher, but only for like 2 to 3 candles. I guess I got a bad fill around 55. Oh yeah, what was your fill too? Can you tell me that? What was your average? And I don't know if I'm going to get this 0.01 or 0.1 fill on this credit spread, man. I want it to. It's just hovering at 0.8. That's so annoying. I hate Robin Hood fills. Can you call out the play again? Okay, so this is it right here. Oh, you can't even see it. I'm sorry, guys. Here. You can probably see it a little bit better here. So I have the I sold the 369 put for October 5th, and then I bought the 368. So that's a put credit spread, and it gives us a credit of 8 right now. But I'm trying to get filled at 0.1. So yeah, $10. I don't know if we'll get it, guys. I might have to go up on strike price. You got filled at 0.55. Okay. Thomas, if I don't get to it before I get off of stream here, just send me a DM on Discord or Twitter or whatever, and then I'll take a look at it and then message you. Dex big green red, or wait, Dex is big green? Yeah, it is. Look at that. Big green. And I don't think this is going to fill, guys. I hate Robin Hood so much. See, this is my pending order here. I doubt that'll fill. Yeah, no problem, Thomas. I got you, bro. Puts are coming up. Uh-oh. Puts are on the rise, guys. So I have a feeling maybe I shouldn't risk going too close to the money on these credit spreads, because puts are coming up quite a bit. This is a dumb power hour. I'm hoping we get that last minute upside squeeze so my freaking credit spread fills. Oh, actually, I want it to go down. I want it to go down a little bit so these fill. Is this ever gonna fill, bro? Man. What is it at right now? It's probably at 0.09 now. I'm hoping. I always do the wrong one. Yep, 0.09. Come on, fill for me, please. Taking any overnight? No, I'm not gonna take any overnight. Sure is. I'm gonna take this small account play probably. That's about it. As long as this fills, that's what I want. Oh, please, please go to point one. Thoughts on November 18th puts? Oh my gosh, that's far out of the money, Shiraz. Why would you do that? I wouldn't do that, bro, unless you're doing the dex plays. I'm not a huge swing trader, especially for longer than like, I mean, I swing trade every now and then, right? But I don't swing anything unless it's tradie flow, and I'm pretty confident in it. So, I mean, I wouldn't do puts right now, especially with the green decks, and then I still think we have a little bit more upside potential. Especially since we're in this ghost zone, right? We're in this ghost zone from 375 to 380, so I do think that we will get the 380, hopefully by tomorrow. But if we do break 375, which we're pretty close to it, we can get back all the way down to 372, which was the low of the day today. Just slowly waiting for this to fill, man. Don't know if we'll get it. Puts are just slowly climbing. Okay, since nothing's really going on, I'm gonna look at Thomas's play. So he got the 360. Oh, did I just get? Nope. Okay, I'm gonna look at Mr. Thomas's trade here. Let's just do it together, right? I'll look at my Weeble. So he got 368 puts for SPY, I'm assuming, for October 5th. 360. Oh, I need to go further here. 368 puts, and they were at 55. Now they're at 25. Let's take a peek here. What happened? 368. Oh, that is really far out of the money, actually, especially for. And you got in at 9:45 Pacific time. Okay, let me move this to 3 minute. $9:45. So you got in right there. Wait, if you got in at 9:45, Thomas, if you're still here, if you got in at 9:45, those contracts were 43. Let me make sure. Oh, 47. So if you got in at 55, that's a little bit up here. 55. There's 55. So it hit there a few times. It did get up to 69 real fast, but that was on. Let's compare that to the price of SPY here. Why can I not? Oh, there it is. Like, what the heck? Okay, so here is 9:45. You got inputs right here. Sorry, this candle. But it said you got in later. If they were at 55, you got in like around. Oh, that's the wrong put. 368. There you go. So you got in around 954? 950? Okay, yeah, 950-ish. Okay, yeah, I see. Yeah, for those, bro, you got to sell those right away. Especially way far out of the money. See how that happened? So you probably caught. That was a good trade. I mean, it came down a little bit and then it shot back up. For those 0 DTs, and especially way far out of the money. So what exactly happened? What was your issue there? Did you just get stopped out? Or you didn't take profits here, or what did you do? Sherez says, unfortunately, I have those 1118 346 puts. I sold the initial batch for 3K profits yesterday. Nice. Bought again yesterday at end of the day. Now down 50. Why didn't you? Shiraz, bro. You know not to take puts when Dex is telling you not to do that. You know better than that. Is it still not filling, guys? Yeah. Is Spy Moon in? Oh, Spy Moon. Look at that. Bruh. That's what we did not want to happen. Yeah, now it's at 6. We could have been up 50% already on those. Dang. This is not what we wanted to happen. We wanted it to chop around for a little bit. It's so obnoxious that we can't get filled on that. And then the ones above it are at 10 now. So it's up to you guys. If you guys want to be a little bit more risky, I don't really care that much because it's like 10 bucks. But we can risk some credit spreads and just go one up more, one strike price up. So you guys let me know if you want me to, if you think that we should fill those instead. Oh, Spy's coming down now. But anyways, okay, Thomas says, what way far out of the money for you? So that one was way far out of the money, Thomas. Usually if I'm playing 1 DTs, especially 0 DTs, but 1 DTs too, I kind of have the same strategy when it comes to those. You want to stay within, I mean, like $5 is kind of stretching it out of the money. That one was way out of the money, bro. Right, you got in at, if you got in at like 1050-ish, or not, sorry, 950, that was like $8 out of the money. So ideally, if you would have held those for longer, you would have had to be praying. Those are going to go to 0 soon. So ideally, you want to get out of those really quick, especially way far out of the money. You want to get out of those really fast. Like within an hour, I'd say. 0 DTs, especially within an hour. 1 DTs are okay, but 0 DTs, yes. That one was a 1 DT, but yeah, you just got to be careful with those. Because the theta eats it alive, and then if it doesn't go your way quick, it'll eat you up. So what you should have done is you should have taken, because you were probably up like 20% there, maybe even more on this drop, right? So I usually like to take profits around 20%. So on that one especially, I would have, because I had a bullish bias the whole day, so I didn't play the drop. But I was looking at these levels, right? And 375 was a big gamma exposure level. And see how we dropped below it, and then we came right back up. I can show you on the trading ticks chart. Right here. Let me go a little bit further. 1 minute chart so you can see it better. So here we go. So this is the gamma exposure level, right? 375. So we went above it, we've been above it, we chopped around all day, and then this was the drop that you played, right? You played puts, and it dropped below that for a minute, but then it shot right back up within like 3 or 4 minutes. So I would have gotten out at 375. If I were to play puts, I would have looked at convergence here. So this was the drop you played too on this chart. Convergence was super great, so you could have played puts here. So yeah, once convergence started to head back down, that's when you really, especially like when it gets really small like this, around this area is when I would have gotten out of puts. See how convergence is going up? I gotta draw it for you so you can understand a little bit better. So see here. See how convergence is gray? So you could have gotten into puts right here. That was a good move. See puts here, and then once convergence started to head back up and it got really, really small, that's when you want to get out of the position. So let's say you just get out, like it's coming down, down, down like this, and even if you got out like right here, I mean that's still relatively good profits, right? Especially if you get in here, up here, on puts. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. That's just me though. That's how I would have played it. But yeah, you should have, like, no hate or anything, but you should have taken profits pretty quick on those. Okay, convergence is very green right now. It just popped. Popped green. Okay, come on. This should... Honestly, if it's that green, it's probably going to pop. Shiraz says, I swear, I totally forgot to look at decks. Do I suggest averaging down? No, I don't suggest averaging down on puts. Shiraz, I don't know. So your strategy is a lot different than mine, so I have a hard time giving you like what you should or shouldn't do in that position because I don't trade like you do. Like I do day trades and then I do like maybe 1 or 2 day swings. That's about it. I don't hold things for a very long time. Unless it's tradey flow, then I might do it. Okay, what are these credit spreads at? Are they still at 0.08? 0.07. All right, well, let's cancel these. Let's replace it and get the strike price above. What do you guys think? And then I can alert that on Twitter. Okay. Okay, let's try to get those filled at 0.10. Oh my gosh, they're at 0.9. It's spy mooning again. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at that hard convergence. Okay, well, let's just try to get these filled anyway. 0.09, let's try. Okay, we'll try. Oh no, not a 3 option strategy. Ooh, that would have been bad. What did I do there? I did something wrong. There we go. Okay, let's try to get those filled. Oh, it just filled. Okay, my put credit spread is filled. 369. Oh wait, was that my? Oh no, 370, 368. Okay, there we go. Let me alert that on Twitter, real quick. It takes me a while to type this out. Small. Credit spread. Okay, SPY 10.5 EXP. Buy the. Which one I buy the? Is it at 10 now? Oh, it's at 11, bro. Did it tank? Did SPY just tank? Oh, it did a little bit. Anyways, that's fine. That's fine. Let's do sell first since it's sell the 370 put, buy the 369 put. And then let me take a screenshot of it. Oh, let me just take a screenshot of it here. And then let me post it on Instagram, or not Instagram, Discord. Small account, everyone. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right. Thank you guys for letting me type all that out. Let's look and see what... Oh, where did my trading view go? Let's see what SPY's doing. Okay, SPY's moving up. That's what we want to see on those credit spreads. 377. Let's see if we can break high today. Oh, look at that. Big old candle. See what happens here? Convergence is super green. We go up. It's amazing. That's a big old candle. Oh, okay, 377.60 is the high today. Let's see if we can get there. Flow is still bullish. Puts came up quite a bit. That does worry me just a tad. It's gone up 6 million in puts. Anyways, I mean, we'll see what happens here. All right. What else, guys? Okay, Thomas says, sorry, Thomas, I didn't read your messages. Maybe greedy, thought market could continue falling. Yeah, you got to look at market net flow, bro. I don't know if you have market net flow, or I know you're in the Discord, right? What's your name on Discord, Thomas? If you're still here, Thomas, what's your name on Discord? Because if you're in my Discord, you know you have this. You have market net flow. Oh, why can't you guys see my market net flow on here? Why is it so messed up? You guys couldn't even see this. Convergence turned green. Why is my market net flow cut off? Oh, my screen was messed up. Hold on. Man, that's why it was all messed up. Oh, I guess I can't fit it. I guess I can't fit the screen on here. Maybe that's why. Alright, well, that'll have to do. Okay. Thank you for whoever messaged me about the small account challenge. We got to keep doing those. If I'm not in a play, we got to be in one. We'll see if we can capture all that premium that we collected. We should be at 130 tomorrow. Ideally, that's what we want to see. A little bit above 130 in the small account. We'll get that up to... the goal is to hit 1K by the end of this month. I might start doing some day trades on it. But I am going to keep the pattern day trade rule on it. So I haven't even done a day trade on it this week. So I should have 3. Let me double check and see if I have 3 here. Count. History. No, it's not history, is it? Investing? Oh yeah, so I have 0 day trades here. So we can do 3. We'll see what happens. I'm just kind of slowly going up on this account with these credit spreads. I think once we hit like 200, then I can start getting a little bit more aggressive. Maybe 250 on it, but I mean 125 bucks is really small, so I'm taking it really slow. There we go, guys. SPY is 377.50. Come on, SPY. You know you want to push, baby. It's having a hard time breaking 377.50, man. That was the high of the day. Man. Yeah, we probably won't get it today, guys, sadly. Flow is still very bullish, so why is this so messed up? You can see it, but like why? I guess I have to do this. You guys can see that. Here it's at high day. Yeah, it's literally at high day right now. Got rejected slightly. Let's see what happens. I mean, market net flow is still bullish, so SPY moving up is good for our credit spreads. It eats up all the premium. Look at that volume bar. Holy Moses. Look at the volume. And that was just as high volume as it was earlier today. Jeez-o. I like looking at Weeble better. Alright, we just hit high a day. That volume bar was nasty. That was this volume bar. Oh, there's the push. 377.83. Alright, so since it's pushing like this, ideally I'd want to see 380 tomorrow. And it might happen overnight. You never know. And so that's almost exactly what happened yesterday. I predicted that we'd hit 370 yesterday. So if we go back to yesterday, I got in at the dip at close here. And you can ask anyone in the Discord what happened there. But I got in at 366 because that was a gamma exposure level, and it bounced. And it literally gapped so far up. It literally passed my target and everything. It was insane. So, yeah, man. We'll see if we hit 380 overnight. It's possible we will. I don't want it to hit overnight because then that might destroy our credit spreads, but we'll see. We will see. Okay, someone just asked for the market diary on here. Let's see. Oh, we got rejected again, guys. 377.27. Jeez. It's all over the place. Hey, thanks for whoever just subscribed. Who was that? Maine, my boy. I know Maine. What's up, my dude? Did you take a look at that market diary? Friday is gonna be nuts, dude. Look at this. Friday we have one delta in calls and then a little bit more in puts. It might be just freaking choppy all day. Ooh, the SPY's pushing back up. Puts are coming down on market net flow. That is ideal right there. That is nice. Finally, we got a curve back down on puts. I was worried because it was just steadily going up. Convergence, very green. Yeah, we should see 380 tomorrow, guys. That's my target. I just hope that we don't see it overnight. That's what I hate about things going on right now. That's what I hate about trading like market hour stuff. Futures traders get all the good stuff. All right, we hit 378 pretty much. 377.99. Oh man. All right, well, let me close out of this trading view because I can't stand trading view. There we go. Oh, we hit 378 on the dot. I don't think that was a game exposure level though. And 380 is that level, guys. I don't see anything stopping us as long as we stay above 375. I mean, 380 is the target. We'll see what happens tomorrow. What else was I gonna look at before I get off? Because I gotta make I'm gonna make a Twitter video and then also post it on YouTube, guys. So if you guys want to see like the recap of the day and then a prediction on what's gonna happen tomorrow, I'll go into a little bit more detail on it. But I kind of already went over it here on stream. But I'll make a 2-minute video so I can post it on Twitter, because on Twitter you can only post 2-minute and 20-second videos. So all of my videos are 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So I go over kind of what happened during the day and then my predictions on tomorrow. But you guys kind of already heard my predictions. We got a nice fat green Dex bar, which predicts the next day's move. Look at this. Here it is. Really big. And we're staying above 375 on SPY. And we're in this ghost zone. So 380 is my target. But yeah, tune in a little bit later. I'm probably going to record that video right now since I'm here. But yeah, check it out on Twitter and I'll post it on YouTube too. Alright guys, if you guys don't have any more... Oh, is my stream lagging? Oh, it is. Oh, it was 30 minutes ago. Alright guys, if you guys don't have any more questions or anything, I'm probably going to get off and then I'll record that video. And then, yeah, just look out for that. But I'll see you guys in the Discord or whatever. And then if Thomas is here, just shoot me a message, alright bro? And I can maybe help you a little bit more. Calls are going up a lot there. Oh, this is so good. It looks so good for tomorrow.